Programmer Lehman Baird and mechanical chief Mance Harmon in the Hedera overseeing board conceived the Hedera Hashgraph. In 2015, Baird and Harmon sent off Swirlds as an essential union to build and run a live framework, Hedera. Using its development, Swirlds turned out an association called Hedera, a short time later renamed Hedera Hashgraph. Through an unmistakable obligation to forthcoming symbolic contributions, Hedera Hashgraph has created $124 million by selling its Hbar cryptographic money in 2018. Hedera Hashgraph, which appeared as a confidential organization, plans to dynamically allow different organizations to join the organization before it is made public later. What is the Hedera, Hbar? The Hedera Hashgraph digital currency, an exceptional sort of blockchain, is where the cryptographic money Hedera is found. Arrangements, dApps, and virtual monetary forms are completely filled by the Hedera Hashgraph. Another variety of the strong proof agreement calculation is utilized to help the Hedera Hashgraph, and the Hbar money gives motivating forces to conditional validators. Huge businesses, including Deutsche Telekom, IBM, Boeing, LG, Google, Versatile, Nomura, and others, own and run Hedera. Hedera, Hbar, special qualities. As opposed to substantial proof for blockchains like Bitcoin, the Hedera Hashgraph network depends on unmistakable inter-process correspondence. An organization of hubs utilizes a tattle strategy procedure shown to large companies like Google and IBM to empower speedy, reasonable exchanges on the Hedera disseminated record. Hbar claims the organization can handle in excess of 10,000 exchanges each second with a check and goal season of 3 to 5 seconds. Hedera utilizes a small part of the energy that the most notable blockchains do, with a typical exchanging cost of just $0.0001. The investigation of products utilizing graph examples to confirm the Hbar coin cost expectation and different rules is known as specialized examination, or TA. It is a procedure for dissecting the market utilizing signals and uncommonly planned instruments. Market members can involve this strategy to recognize equivalent opportunities for exchanging or venture and check the Hedera Hashgraph Hbar cost expectation. Regularly, specialized investigation depends on verifiable information about a resource, like market, turnover, and so forth, which uncover designs that can be used to foresee what is probably going to happen. The investigation of resources utilizing specialized markers is known as specialized examination, TA. A market cap examination technique utilizes pointers made explicitly for the errand. Contingent upon the conditions, merchants and financial backers utilize this strategy to distinguish open doors for exchanges or ventures. Specialized examination might be founded on past data about a resource, like cost, volume, and so forth, which uncovered patterns that can be utilized to foresee what is probably going to happen. Signs of cryptographic money in view of specialized examination. Specialized investigation of computerized monetary forms can be led utilizing an assortment of line diagrams and graph designs. Clients intrigued by specialized investigation can concentrate on the greatest cost, market cap, normal cost, most extreme worth, Hedera Hashgraph cost gauge, or some other information related with the Hedera cost conjecture utilizing the basic pointers gave underneath. An extensive model like crucial investigation requires a strong handle of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, finishing key examinations implies information on foundational issues, being know about valuation procedures, and being able to survey monetary documentation. Moreover, it regularly figures future improvement and utilizing data that is promptly open to the general population, like an organization's earlier income and higher benefits. Hedera, Hbar, current cost. Hedera is at present worth $0.058746. Hbar has moved minus 5.87% as of now with an exchanging volume of $43,764,171. Hedera is at present positioned 440 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,238,650,487. Hedera, Hbar, Value Forecast 2022. Hedera, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. Hbar. The Hbar cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.088119. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.082245 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Hbar is supposed to have a base worth of $0.070495. Hedera, Hbar, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Hedera Hbar cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Hbar will before long outperform $0.146865. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the Hbar's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Hbar will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.117492 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.129242. Hedera, Hbar, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.205612 and Hbar might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Hbar is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.187988 and a low of $0.176239 in 2024. Hedera, Hbar, Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that Hedera effectively helps market opinion among digital money aficionados, the Hbar coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Hbar will be green in 2025. The Hbar is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0.264358, with a base cost of $0.234985 and a typical cost of $0.246734. Hedera, Hbar, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Hbar cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.30548 by 2026, with a base cost of $0.293731 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Hbar has a greatest value